Hi everyone and welcome to Beautiful Within. So Omvid Naturals had sent me certain of their products for review. So talking about the brand Omvid, they are into manufacturing natural, herbal and organic products. They claim that their products are free from sulfates, parabens, and also they do not use any artificial colors and perfumes. So for perfume they use essential oils is what they say. And that's why I'm really excited to try them because I love paraben free and sulfate free products. I guess you would already know that. So they're into manufacturing aromatherapy, skincare, bath and body, and also certain products special for mothers to be or mom to be, and also certain gifting options. More will be on their site, which I'll link down below. So they've sent me two products. First is the deep facial cleanser. So I'll start with this and then I'll go to the second product. So this is a deep facial cleanser for normal to oily skin. You can see the packaging as well. It's a plastic packaging in a dark brown bottle with a pump. Now having a dark brown bottle is very necessary for an organic product, because they're supposed to be kept in dark places and light should not enter them, otherwise I guess they cause some problems. That's all I know. So it's great that they've put it in a dark bottle. Packaging is really good, pretty sturdy. Also they have a cap and a pump, which is really great because the consistency is a gel-like consistency of it. Also it's travel friendly because I used it in travel. So I'll just show you the consistency of it. It's this kind of a gel-like consistency. So it's a clear gel, as you can see. It's also very light on the skin as well, and it contains bergamot and manjistha, which is giving it a very sweet. It has a very sweet smell. So actually the best thing that I like about it is the smell, while it has other benefits as well. I'm just wiping out my finger because the gel is on my finger. Yeah, so talking about the product, how it worked. Now the gel does not cause too much lather on your skin, which is a very good thing, because most of these cosmetics, to create the lather, they use a lot of chemicals. So just a quick tip: if your natural product or your supposedly natural product is not causing too much of lather, the chances are that it's actually very natural and herbal. So it's a good thing that's not causing you lather. So basically you have to wet your face and use it like a face wash. It is a gel, so it's not very heavy on the skin, which is what you require for an oily skin. Also it leaves a very fine fragrance, which lingers for around 3 to 4 hours. So it gives you a very nice cooling kind of an effect, not on the skin but because of the smell. It's a very nice basic facial cleanser. They say that it's a clarifying formulation which effectively cleanses environmental pollutants, makeup, dirt and grime. So dirt and grime, I can very surely assure that it does clean off. Makeup, it just clears off basic makeup. It cannot be used as a makeup cleanser, I would say. So for a regular face wash, it's a very good product. I was actually feeling very fresh and light after using it. So this is something that I really liked, which is why I reviewed it first. So the 100 ml bottle is for $590, which is a little bit on the pricier side. I agree on that. But because they say that they're using essential oils for perfumes and not using any synthetic colors in perfumes, I guess they are justifying the price that way. So this was the first product. The second product is actually a bath and body soap which they've sent, which is Shuddhi Tone Purifying Neem and Tulsi Soap. Deep cleanses and clarifies. That is the benefit that they've mentioned. This is how the soap is. It comes with a paper packaging, and if I take out the soap, now I've already used the soap. Otherwise this was also in a plastic kind of a wrapper. I feel for the soap the packaging could have been a little better, because it's just a paper cover and then a plastic on it. I guess it could have been let's say better packaged. That is what I feel, because I've seen many of the herbal soaps, so even the paper would come as an envelope, which looks really nice. But otherwise, let's talk about the product first. So this is the product. As you can see, this has neem and tulsi in it. The smell is really good, and it will actually make you very nostalgic, because mostly for us North Indians, if we would have a bath in the summer, our mothers would make us bathe in neem or tulsi or something of that sort. So it gives you a very nostalgic childhood kind of a feeling. I like the soap. So it is a clear soap. It does again similar to the face wash, does not cause too much lather, which is great. And has a nice clarifying effect on the face, though my the rest of the body does not have that much of any problem that it requires any clarifying benefits kind of a thing. But again, it was a good soap to try. For organic soaps, actually the benefits that they say that it's clarifying and it's tone purifying, they take a little longer to show up. But my first impressions are that it was really good. For 125, this product is for 270 bucks, which is again a little pricey, but as I mentioned that they're using all herbal ingredients, I guess it's justified. But again, having said that, for a college student, I guess if I were in college, it would have been very difficult for me to afford these. So these were the two products that I tried. I like this facial cleanser actually very much. I might take a second bottle of it as well, because I've been using Nivea. I've been using the tea tree facial cleanser from Body Shop, and this is the third one that I used, and it actually matches the liking that I have for Body Shop. The soap, I guess, is a very basic kind of a soap. I mostly bathe in shower gels and I would actually stick to it, but it is also actually great to have. They have other flavors also which have other benefits, so you can check their site for more. I will link down the site below. Their products are also available on Amazon and Flipkart, and they have certain of the remedial products also, like for sleeping well and for de-stressing. Also certain gifting options are there on their site, and they also have travel and trial size products that I saw on the site, which I'm just sharing with you. So this was my review of Omved products. Do tell me if you have tried any of the Omved products and how you liked it. Until then, thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.